Hey guys, so if your BMW is broken and you need to actually tow it, so what happens is your gearbox is in parking and you cannot start your car to put it in the neutral, you can actually override that. And to do that, first thing first, you need to go to your trunk. In the trunk for easier access, you can open this one, and somewhere here you will find this magical key, which is exactly what we need. So grab this and sit in the car next to the steering wheel one more time. Now the big question is, where should you exactly use this key? And you need to use it here, like not in the BMW logo. You basically need to take this compartment, the rubbery one, out. And to do that, it's easier to just grab here on the sides and pull up. There you go. And this will give us access to this beautiful hole. And there's also the text saying open. So we grab this key, put it here inside, and just turn it to the open. That will remove the top cover, which we don't need right now. Right now we can pull in our key much deeper here inside. Just find a position where it actually sits till the end, and then turn clockwise, and this will release the gearbox, and right now it is in the neutral and you're able to tow your car.